What's going on, guys? Mathieu here. In today's episode we are going to be looking at this gorgeous brand new modern townhouse here in downtown Sacramento. 4-bedroom 4-bath, about 1970 square foot, currently on the market for $879. If it's the first time to the channel, if you're just tuning in, if you don't know everything there is to know about Sacramento and the Sacramento area, like this gorgeous townhouse here in downtown Sacramento, click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can be the first to know about what Sacramento has to offer. My name is Mathieu. Let me tell you, I'm getting phone calls, emails, and texts from people just like you and you every single day. They want to move into Sacramento, and I'm very happy to help them out. So whether you want to move in 9 days or 90 days, feel free to reach out, email me, call me, text me. My phone number is on the screen right now. And without further ado, let's go through the tour of this gorgeous townhouse here in downtown Sacramento. And thank you for the listing agent allowing me to tour this video here today. Alright, so we are outside, and this is going to be the building right behind me. Gorgeous modern build. We are actually, the entryway is in an alley. It's very typical here in downtown Sacramento for the owner to split the lot, keep the original building in the front, and have the back alley access with a modern build. Just case in point, just if I'm turning around, this one is also the same configuration too. Long lot, and they build this brand new build also in the back too. So side by side, this is the little townhouse. So between the one on the left side, and as you guys can see from the numbers, you have not only the higher unit, 2713, that's the top part, and you have 2711. It's the ADU with a separate address too as well. Alright, so we're walking in, I'm going to show you the backyard and where the ADU sits. And I think this would be great if you have a little studio, home studio, or this would be your ADU access right here. A mini backyard, great for your barbecue. Like I said earlier, you have your original building in the back here, or in the front of the house, and in front of the lot, and you have your private balcony, ADU access with those chairs and sitters. If you need to do music studios or rent it out short term on Airbnb, this would be perfect spot right here. Alright, so let's explore the upstairs and the major living area. Right at the top of the landing, we're getting into the kitchen space. Same slats we've seen in the downstairs entryway. It's also underneath the counter of the island, a double waterfall. It's a little bit tight, it's 1970 square foot, so it's a big unit. This feels a little bit constricted, but if you wanted to have an island, a very walkable kitchen, this is kind of the way to do it. So you have your living space and the balcony in the back here. Little living room with probably TV on the wall, your mini split for your AC and furnace, and a private balcony. What I love about this particular configuration, on this main floor you have a full bath with walking showers, your dining room area, and also a little office. Let's go explore the upper top of the landing. You get, make sure, lights from this car light. We have an extra bedroom here, not the master, but big bedroom for probably a king-size bed with a view of the front, or an ensuite as well. Single vanity, quite a bit of storage actually around here with smart mirrors, light around it, walking shower. Well, let's explore the master suite. So even without the light on, you have quite a bit of natural light coming in through this bedroom here. A large king-size bed, 2 nightstands on the side, a view of the alley. By the way, we toured that one. I put you the link in the description if you want to check it out. We toured that one in a previous video as well. And we're getting into the master suite. 2-sink vanity, a little bit tucked away here. Love this modern look with the squarish sink, and your 2 smart mirrors, or digital mirrors, I don't know what you call those. And you have your walking shower, little note of the drain on the side here. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video tour. If you have any question about this property, all the listing information is in the description down below, so feel free to check it out. And if you want to see something else, pick one of these 2 video tours. I hope you enjoyed this video tour, and we'll see you at the next one. See ya.